Hello YouTube, it's Willington here with another unboxing video of the Sabrent 74-in-1 3.5-inch internal flash media card reader and writer with USB port. Right on the box, I don't really see anything interesting on here, so I think I'll just go grab my knife and open this baby up. Let's see what comes in here. Okay, right when we open the box, here's the card reader. Comes in a bubble wrap, some screws, and some kind of card right here. We'll look into that later. We have screws here. They give you 6 screws to help you mount the thing up in your case. And here's the baby. Get him out of the bubble wrap. And yeah, this looks like a really long cord, which is nice. And let's go see how long it is actually. Fairly long. Pretty sure it will reach the port that I'm going to be using. So that's nice. Yep, it's an internal USB connector right there. But yeah, I think it has a plastic coating on top of it. It's metal, but it has a plastic coating. I see a power indicator here and activity indicator light too, which is nice, and that's about it. Thanks for viewing my video. Please subscribe. I'll be doing a review for this, so make sure you check out my channel for that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.